we can easily cancel this 4 and this 4, and we can write 8 divided by 1, which is equals to 8. But this answer is wrong because the order of operation, which is called PEMDAS rule. According to the rule of PEMDAS, first we can solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication and division, after that addition and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priority, and always we can solve it from left to right. Now student, I am going to solve the question by correct method so I can remove this wrong method. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we can solve this part. To solve this part, we follow the rule of KCF, which stand for keep, change, flip. According to KCF rule, whenever we change division to multiplication, then numerator is changed to denominator and denominator is changed to numerator, and we can write the given question is 8 times 4 equals 32 multiply by 4. So 32 times 4 equals to 4 times 2 equals 8 and 4 times 3 equals 12. So 128 is the final answer of this math question. Tell me in the comment section that what is your answer.